reliable source about Sir's passion as an educator. That is why we can see the school named as Boom. So now I would like to call Principal Ma'am to give a valuable speech.
You need to get bruised. You need to be in pain. You fall, you get up, and then you realize how painful was that fall. And then you again ride on a taller horse to be successful person in your life. So that's about Chairman, and he's ready to, this year you have seen class 11. We are giving you freshers welcome, but our classes began from May. So many of you have witnessed, and then a very fresher from our school, class 11, Kasera, and by this, Kasera joined from another school in class 11, so I am just, that's why I am naming him, President. So he gets to be selected for national, and then I have my Ruel Topo, and I have Deepu Rao from class 9, and then the coach herself. So these are the fantastic consequences and the results that when a dreamer dreams, we get it served in front of us that yes, this is the result of. And then the footballers, all the participants, whoever are participating, again the girls are traveling for yoga. You are giving your best, and whoever has participated this year, they have persevered, they have worked hard, and that is how we get the result. So, standing here as the principal of the school, I always have a message, and that is very simple. It does not need tuition tutors to tell you what madam said. I did not understand. So it's a very simple formula to be successful in life is be very sincere to yourself and your studies. Your duties as students is just come to school regularly, listen, be a passionate student, learner, listener, observer, and then you see how you do not rock your examinations. It's very simple, the formula is very simple. You need to be, first of all is integrity is to be maintained, and then you need to be very sincere to yourself. If you study regularly, there's no question of failing. If you come to school regularly, take part in all the classes, all the activities, note down all the study notes given by your teachers, and then morning and evening you just give a revision. There is no need of spending time somewhere else as tuitions, which you call it as tuitions after the school. And one more very simple sentence, self-study is the best form of educating ourselves. So please keep this in mind. Class 11, your 2 years journey in Purnicha school should be very memorable, and you need to leave footprints, just as my class 12 will be very soon leaving, and they have already started leaving footprints. As I see my school captain and school vice captain, I feel very proud, and we all, the teaching faculty feel very proud every year of the office bearers, like them coming up on the podium and then organizing and hosting such great events like Freshers, Farewell, and many others. Very important, class 11, we will be introducing your faculty mentors, and then, but very important to you is we have a council in the school called Vardhan Council. So Vardhan Council works on protection of students' rights,
which is written by me to my juniors. Welcome. As we step into this new stage of life, a chapter unfolds a new strife. 11th grade, a year of growth, of learning, of laughter, of newfound truth. Embrace this journey with an open heart, meet new friends and take your path, explore new subjects and discover your faith, develop your patience and show your care. In this new class, you will find your place where dreams are born and futures at rest. So take a deep breath and let your spirit soar, for in the halls your story will be written once more. Make a memory that will last a lifetime and cherish every moment sublime. For in this new chapter, you will find a way and a say your destiny will come that you will make. Thank you.
And